on, Bobby. Think small thoughts.
Phoebe, are you all packed yet? Phoebe, your case will never close with that many things. Oh, it'll be all right.
Oops. Bobby is not in the suitcase.
Phoebe, you can't bring Bobby.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Phoebe. It's all right, Fizzy. I just don't know what to bring. Well, let's see what you have so far. But first, we need a hand from Miss Hands. Oh, Miss Hands.
All right, Phoebe. Let's see what's in your suitcase. A beach towel and a deck chair.
A beach towel? Yeah, you never know. There might be loads of sand. Phoebe, we're going to the mountains. There won't be sand up there.
A banana. Oh, it's so squishy and stretchy, too. Hey, Fizzy, it's your Pet Vet lab coat.
So that's where my lab coat is. Yeah, I thought I'd pack it in case you needed to rescue a mountain goat. Good idea, Phoebe. Ruff, 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 ruff.
Ruff, ruff.
Hey, look, it's Bingo and Rolly.
What's Bingo and Rolly doing in there? I wanted to bring some friends. Phoebe, you can't put your friends in your suitcase. Oh, yeah! Sorry, Fizzy.
Oh no, Phoebe, look! Your suitcase is covered in slime. Ooh, so sticky.
Oh no! How am I gonna get the slime out of my suitcase? With some Fizzy magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Bizzy Bop. Oh no, Fizzy, you're right. I've overpacked. It's all right, Phoebe. You're just excited and a little nervous. Ooh. It's strange being away from home, but remember, we're going on a super duper exciting big adventure. Oh yeah! Fizzy and Phoebe, the Mountain Explorers. I can't wait! Come on, let's start packing the things you do need. First up, we're gonna need some clothes.
All right, let's put some clothes in your suitcase.
Ooh, don't forget my sunglasses.
Good job, Phoebe.
We're gonna need some rope for when we're climbing. And some band-aids just in case. Ooh, pretty! Now a nice warm blanket. Ooh, pink! My favorite! Oh, don't forget my favorite unicorn toys! So cute! And squishy, too. Ooh, snacks! Yummy!
Food, yummy. Shh.
Phoebe, you can't take food to an airport. Why not? Because they give us yummy food on the plane. But what if I don't like the food? And then I'll be so hungry, and my stomach will rumble, and then the plane will. Phoebe, breathe. It's going to be okay. Trust me. All right, Fizzy. I trust you. Wait! Where's all my food
Oops. Sorry.
to shut your suitcase. This will never close.
Watch out! Coming through! Yeah!
Well, Bobby, all that food's made you super strong. Quick, Miss Hands, zip it up.
All zipped up and ready to go.
Wait, Fizzy! What is it, Phoebe? Won't there be loads of other people on the plane? Yes, there will. Whoa! Well, then how will I know which suitcase is mine? Good point, Phoebe. I know. We could decorate it. Yay! I love decorating. Ooh, we could use some stickers. Miss Hands, please could you help?
All right, Phoebe, let's take a look. Got a guitar, that's cool. Donut. Ooh, turtle. I like this bee. Yummy carrot.
Ooh, that one's super cute. I definitely like that one.
All right, let's put that one there. Right, we've got space for 2 more.
Nope. I really like that one.
All right, Phoebe, 1 more. We need a long one. Nope, that's not gonna fit. That flower's all right, but I think it's a bit big. So, which one?
Ooh, I like the whale.
All right, Phoebe, we'll pop the whale down there. Awesome. All right, let's stick them down. Let's put this one here. Now for the last sticker.
Perfect. Now we're ready to go. Wait, Fizzy. What's wrong now, Phoebe? Where's your suitcase? Oh no! Quick! Miss Hands! Miss Hands! We've lost Fizzy's suitcase! This is a disaster! No, Phoebe. I've got everything I need in here. You've got everything you need in there? Uh-huh. But how? Oh, I know. You used your fizzy magic to shrink everything. Nope. Then how did you do it? I pack light.
You need to pack a light? All right, I'm on it.
No, Bobby, not a light bulb. I pack light. That means I don't take many things with me.
Oh, I get it now. Wait, does this mean you're not going to pet me because I'm a heavy monster?
Of course not, Bobby. In fact, we'd love you to join us on our mountain adventure.
Really? You want me to come with you?
Oh, yes, Bobby. Oh, please say you'll come. Please, please, please. It'll be so much fun.
Bobby the Mountain Explorer. I like it.
Awesome sauce. Quick, let's get your things packed. We don't want to miss the plane. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Come on, Bobby. Let's go get your swimming trunks. Phoebe, we don't need swimming trunks, remember?